How's it going, everybody? 217. About to do some National Treasures football of the one box variety. We opened a fresh case like over 2 weeks ago. We only busted one box. You see they were numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. We ended up breaking number 4. So we'll do the team draw and select the box at the same time. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck. We're hitting it twice. And we're breaking box number 2, the one right in the middle there. Put these away. Okay. Check a new. Set your face on the top. Good luck hitting the randomizer 2 times. All the teams are in. Philly Man 81 on the top. Hamburger Run on the bottom. 1, 2. Doug E3, number 1. Bowling Back 40, number 32. Alright, on the teams, 49ers on top. Vikings on the bottom. Good luck 2 times. 1. Last and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your dicks. 2. The Bucs, number 1. The Vikings, number 32. Bucs and Vikings. Alright, here you go. Doug E3, the Bucs. Lukedavidiuk, Cowboys. aedesper, Titans. Norland, Packers. Bowling Back 40, Jags. Cardsnstuff, Saints. caliwest, Lions. Darryl 1, 2, 3, 4, the Jets. Red Sox Girl, the Panthers. Gelf, the Bears. Gelf, the Browns. Shady Sanders, Seahawks. Wheel God, Broncos. Jumbogorilla, Bills. 1-1 Chiefs. Philly Man 81, 49ers. Gelf, Chargers. Best Friend of Say, Patriots. Cindy G3 with a star, Rams. Gelf, Giants. Gelf, Redskins. One-hitter cards, Ravens. Art Vandalay, Steelers. Pokerphenomx, Raiders. Cardsnstuff, Dolphins. Cindy G3, Falcons. Philly Man, Cardinals. Hamburger Ron, Bengals. Bayonne, Texans. Big Chooch, Eagles. Bill 9901, the Colts. Bowling Back 40, the Vikes. Alrighty. There you go, you can start trading.